Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. How y'all doing today? Happy Vlogmas Day 23. Y'all, we're here today with the Pepsi, okay?
Nope, no Pepsi. That's a Coke.
Yes. Y'all already know I'm not going to do too much talking. I said that last video and I talked the whole video, y'all. I don't know why every time I say I'm not going to talk, y'all, I get up on here and I just get to running my mouth, okay? How y'all doing today and how was y'all day? Comment down below what are y'all doing today and what y'all done today, okay? Let me open this up for y'all on camera. Y'all got the bottle today. Is it just me or do it look like they done cut back these bottles? Because this bottle looks smaller than a 20 ounce. But it say 20 ounces. Or has Coke always been like slim and short? Do y'all remember when you used to open up soda and it'd be like, shh? Sodas don't even do that no more. It just said, shh. That was it. Soda used to be like, shh. I'm telling y'all. That's why I told y'all I don't feel like these sodas are as strong anymore. But y'all know in my when I did my challenge, I did do Coke Vanilla, y'all. But this time, this is not going to be a challenge. This is strictly a burping video, okay? Not doing no challenge, strictly a burping video. Then what I'm going to do is compare the two. Compare Pepsi and compare Coke and see which one made me burp more or which one made me burp worse. I guess like my burps was louder, put it that way. Y'all get what I'm saying? I think we here. I think y'all got me. All right, y'all. Cheers. I didn't even tell y'all. Comment down below with the timestamp how many times y'all think I'm a burp. Okay? I know that I do have a subscriber. I can't think of his name, but I know his first name is Robert. The rest of it, I don't know. But y'all, I will pin it right here. Ask me to do a burping contest between me and my friends or me and my family. But y'all, my family members don't burp how I burp. And to be honest, I don't feel like it's going to be as entertaining as y'all think that it is, because I out-burp everybody, all my family members in my house. I also out-burp my friends, you know. So, plus y'all, they don't want to get on camera and be burping. So y'all, I respect their wishes, y'all. And if they don't want to be on camera burping, y'all, I respect that, okay? But, like I said in my previous video, if y'all want me to burp some names, if y'all want me to burp sentences, words, I can handle that for y'all. Definitely names. And probably sentences too, because my mom did say I had burped a sentence before. So probably sentences too, y'all, but we'll see. Just comment down below, y'all. But in the future, or in the near future, y'all, I will try to bring y'all a video where I'm putting other people up on here to burp, y'all. But as of right now, I don't have nobody that want to get on camera and burp. So y'all just have to enjoy me burping for y'all right now, okay? This one is a little weak. This cup is a little weak, y'all. Maybe not. Whew, maybe not. Maybe not. But it does taste a little weak to me. Ooh. There we go, y'all. Y'all know I start to get tears, y'all, coming out my eyes. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Excuse me. Oh. Yeah, my eyes is tearing. I might have to upgrade Coke, y'all, because this Coke bottle is small. It say 20 ounces, but it's not looking like a 20 ounce to me. So I might have to upgrade. I don't know. Whew. Robert. Oh, excuse me. See? I told you I could burp your name. But can I bring you that burping contest? Not right now. But I told you I can definitely burp Robert. Okay? For sure. Let me see. Gobbly. Oh, wait a minute, y'all. Let me try that again. That was a little weak. That was a little weak on the end. Oh, it's stuck. Gobbly. Oh. Oh. Boo. Ooh. Are you out there laughing, Mom? Yeah, my mom's out there laughing. Y'all. Let me tell y'all how I messed up today, right? Y'all cooked dinner today, and it was so amazing, y'all. I fixed some broccoli and some shrimp over rice. Your girl is full, okay? Ah! Oh my gosh. Excuse me. Wow. Wow. What was I saying? I done fixed broccoli and shrimp today for dinner. And y'all, normally what I do, I normally drink my drinks before I eat. But this time, I was so hungry, y'all. I didn't eat today. So I was so hungry till it was like, I have to eat. So y'all, I came in and I ate. And now y'all gonna have to bear with me. Because normally I be done had this drink down by now. Let me raise this up for y'all so y'all can keep track of what I have. Is that better? Yep, 10 times better. Okay, let me move it out of my face. Y'all is gonna have to bear with me, okay? It's taking a little longer for your girl to get this Coke down because I am full, okay? I'm gonna make it happen though. And then on top of that, y'all, look, I done drunk almost a whole, well, over half a bottle of water as well. I won't be doing that again. I will not be doing that again. Woo! Ooh! Ooh! Y'all could have blew candles out just now. With that burp, I promise you I could have blew some birthday candles out. Wow. Y'all, sometimes them burps be Adele and me. They be definitely rolling in the deep. All right, y'all. Y'all don't know how many times I burp. Excuse me. I get on here all the time, y'all, and I say the same thing. That these drinks be weak. And y'all, I don't be doing nothing but burping. I be like, these drinks are weak to me, y'all, but it be making me have these massive burps. Oh, it's like, how strong do you want the drink to be? I don't know. Y'all, I'm thinking about, y'all, I'm sorry. My eyes has been itching me real bad. I didn't take no allergy pill today. Oh, help me. Excuse me. I did not take an allergy pill today, y'all. And I am feeling it. My eyes are puffy and they are itchy. But as soon as I get up off of here, y'all, I'm going to take me an allergy pill. I'm going to tell you what I noticed, though. The Coke vanilla tastes better. Oh, excuse me. Woo! Excuse me. What was I about to say? The Coke vanilla tastes much better to me. I don't really like how the regular Coke tastes at all. I like the Coke vanilla better. And of course the Pepsi is good. But yeah, I think that I am going to try a like a ginger beer, you know, something like that. Because I think that ginger beers are stronger. I'm not sure, y'all. I also like seltzer water, too. Oh, y'all love me some seltzer water. My mom can't stand it, but I love seltzer water. Oh. Woo. Oh. Oh, excuse me. Y'all, that burp got stuck. Oh, I had to burp myself. Oh, help me. Woo. Y'all, well, I got this little bit of sip left. Let me give y'all a little background, okay? I wasn't going to give y'all no background. This right here just came to the top of my dome. Let me give y'all a little background. My mom did comment on one of my videos and let y'all know that I was born with acid reflux. I told y'all why I feel like I got acid reflux, because my mom couldn't stay off of pizza. I had already told y'all that. But y'all, I was basically... Excuse me. I basically came out of taller, y'all. I was a real big baby when I was born, okay? And from there, my mom said that growing up, I really couldn't keep nothing down. I would get sick a lot of times or whatever else because of my acid reflux. So the only thing that I could keep down was bread growing up. And then, y'all, eventually, I was able to start eating foods and stuff like that. But I used to be real skinny growing up. Because I couldn't eat a bunch of food as a child until I got older. I believe, like, when I started school, you know, a little bit before I started school, I was able to start eating foods and stuff like that. And then as I got older, I want to say my acid reflux got better in a sense of, well, let me say this, y'all. I was never burpy growing up. This right here is what I really don't understand, how it came about, to be honest. I was never burpy growing up, but I used to, TMI, y'all, I used to vomit a lot growing up because of my acid reflux, okay? So, that was the side effect of my acid reflux growing up. Then, once I became an adult, y'all, and I believe, like, when I got pregnant with my son, I think, like, that's when I started burping like this, to be honest. Ma, you remember? Ain't that's about the time, right? Yeah. Yes, y'all. I got pregnant with my son. And that's when I started like burping real bad, and it just never left me. And since I done had my son, I just been burping, burping, burping. Now, what I do like, what I can say, the con is I burp more, but the pro is I don't even throw up barely anymore. You get what I'm saying? So I do like the fact that, put it this way, y'all. I would rather be a burpy individual than an individual that can't keep my food down. You get what I'm saying? So I can appreciate the burping more so than me not keeping my food down. And I know like somebody else looking in will probably be like, I'd rather not have either. And you know, I get that, but y'all, I would rather have the burping and not the throwing up. You get what I'm saying? I know that probably was a little TMI, but I just wanted to give y'all a little background. Just so y'all know why I'm so burpy and what time frame of my life I became burpy. Let me finish this little bit. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Y'all got a little bit left. All right, y'all. That's it. That's it. Oh. Woo. Ooh, help me. And I know that somebody, oh, I done dropped my top. Y'all know I'm clumsy. I know somebody commented down below. I'm going to try to find that comment as well and pin it right here. That they wanted my burps to sound more gassier. But y'all. Oh. Oh. Whew. Excuse me. I think that was it. Y'all just had a burp attack. Wow. You know, you have a sneeze attack, you just keep on sneezing. Y'all had a whole burp attack just now. At least y'all see, I do be having those too. Like, you know how you can sneeze like 3-4 times back to back? Y'all, sometimes I just be burping like that, and it just keeps coming back to back. But I know that somebody did comment and ask for my burps to sound more gassier. I don't really know how to do that. It's not, let me say this, y'all. I don't even know what to call it. It's not a talent or like a skill or like something that I have trained myself to do. I just do it. I'm just burpy naturally. So I don't really know how to make it sound gassier. If you get my drift. You get what I'm saying? But y'all, I hope that this video was entertaining to y'all. I hope that y'all enjoy hearing me burp. And I guess I'll see y'all in tomorrow's Vlogmas, okay? So I hope that this right here was, you know, gassier for you. I hope that it was, okay? Because this is the best that I can do, okay? And Robert, I know I could not bring you that burping challenge between my family or my friends, but I did burp your name, you know? And I hope that you appreciate that. Your girl is trying, okay? Until to next. Y'all. Until I see y'all in tomorrow's Vlogmas, okay? Until we chat again. Until we vibe again. Until I see y'all in tomorrow's Vlogmas, okay? Y'all, it's been a long day for me, alright? Bye!